Hey there, happy campers. Rich here from this Sikhs Mox service team. Hey brothers, April Fools is no joke. We're out here, it's the second Saturday work party in March, and our turnout isn't so good. So we're gonna work again to gear up for April. Boy, we need all you guys out here. Bring your troops, bring your family members. Camp is, shall we say, a little bit of rough shape. I'm out by the old cultist site right now, and well, I mean, look for yourselves. We got trees down across the road, trees down on both sides, can't barely get through. Folks, we got a lot of work to do, and you know, I applaud the handful of arrowmen and scouts and scouters that are up here this weekend helping us out. But man, our council has a whole lot more manpower they can bring to bear. Let's say we all turn out for next April's second Saturday work party, and let's make it one for the books. Let's get our camp whipped back into shape so we're ready for the camping season. See you then.